Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in the Newcome Valley area. Yeah man, so giving a tour upon election day, Newcome Valley. Wanna see what this area look like. So big up on yourself anywhere you watch from. Big up yourself Marcia. Big up you and the family anywhere you're watching from. So I'm heading towards the Newcome Valley Primary School. So this is what it look like in the Newcome Valley area. Look like the road block. Everybody enjoy themselves. Wanna go through at the moment. So big up everybody who watch St. Elizabeth. Look nice and airy. One of them true colors. Place kind of block up, can't get no turn of the place. See, we have a lot of security in the place tight. So big up all of the Newcome Valley people, them big up on yourself. Just a scenic peek in the area. Bossing and green. So man take them politics serious, you know, so you have to be careful what you say on the road. Have to be very careful so everybody's don't enjoy themselves. Gonna make a right turn. See what the area look like. You know, a lot of people are gonna have them get together, enjoy themselves. Later would be the excitement. Yeah man, a lot of excitement gonna be in the evening part. Boss, I enjoy himself there. Boss, feel the vibes. So thanks for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.